the infrastructure facilities for developing passenger jetties as well as the cargo jetties. So as far as the technical appraisal is concerned, I know around 40 projects have been sanctioned in Goa itself, and some projects have already been made operational. And in terms of employment, आपको मालूम होगा जब एक जेट्टी कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए देते हैं कम से कम 100 man days per day you will be getting it during the construction phase, and उसके बाद जब ऑपरेशन हो जाती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ आपका पैसेंजर वेजल्स होगा या कार्गो वेजल्स होगा, कम से कम 1000 man days will be created for every day. So ऐसे देखा जाने से जैसे वो 40 पैसेंजर जेटीज एंड कार्गो जेटीज फुली ऑपरेशन होने से you can just multiply that and how much you will be created. And as far as the correct figure I do not know, but something like around 5,000 to 6,000 crores of investment is from the SAGARMALA program only for the Goa state.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.